Okay, friends, so let's discuss on tomorrow's trade setup on the markets. Okay, so today this is my view on the Nifty. Like Nifty opened at 14,644. It hit a high of 14,652 and a low of 14,248. It closed at 14,310. So it was a very dark red day today, as expected. This is the reason I was telling to stay away from Nifty and Bank Nifty. The stocks as well as the index has corrected very heavily today. This was the basic reason of I was recommending since last 1 week that not to trade in Bank Nifty and Nifty, because we were expecting such a big fall or a big rise, but then the fall came in. So this, you cannot say that it was not expected. This we already discussed in our last few slides, but the timing, nobody can time it perfectly. So it did go down heavily today, yeah, because of the COVID cases increasing in Mumbai, and they are planning to have lockdown from 14th of this month, yeah. So basically the Nifty was down by 525 points, 3.54% down. Bank Nifty was down by about 5%. If you see the FIIs in cash market, they sold around 1746 crores, and domestic investors in cash market they bought around 232 crores. Now here the volatility index, which shot up today because of the volatility was quite high, the markets were going quite down quite fast in a brisk pace. That is the really reason that volatility index shot up by 16%, yeah, and that is a cause of concern now. So we should wait for the COVID cases to go down, let volatility index normalize, and then you can think over getting back to markets from a short-term period. For a longer-term period, it is a great opportunity for the long-term investors. So there is no need to panic for long-term investors. But short-term investors are in panic currently because the markets have gone down drastically quite fast. Okay, now if you see the view on the Nifty as well as on the Bank Nifty is, don't trade on the Nifty as well as on Bank Nifty. Stay away from it. Let it stabilize. Take its own time to stabilize. Let the cases in Mumbai reduce. Let the lockdown be let the COVID cases reduce and the lockdown be taken off, so that we again streamline, and then again we come back to the same levels we were earlier. The market rise also will be fast because the recovery will be fast from the destruction that COVID has done so far, yeah. And so Nifty is like, I don't want to give a view of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Stay away from it for few days, let it stabilize. Okay, this is Bank Nifty for you. Bank Nifty also, it went down by around 1656 points and it was down by 5%. Okay, no views on Nifty as well as on Bank Nifty. There is no point in discussing on supports and all, because technicals normally don't work in such crashes, yeah. Today the market literally crashed. Okay, all the stocks were almost down. Now if you talk stock specific, okay, there was a lot of movement. Stock specific, all the stocks were down almost. You talk about Reliance, you talk about Adani, you talk about any stock, it was down other than pharma and IT. Even pharma outperformed till some time, and then later it came down. The only stock that outperformed was Dr. Reddy, yeah, Panacea Biotech and Gland Pharma. This is because they got approval on the Russian vaccine Sputnik, which we were recommending since long. Okay, and that is the reason this stock have risen around 5%. Panacea Biotech is 20% and Gland Pharma was about 4%. You talk about steel, was down. You talk about cement, it was down. You talk about any banking stock, it was down, yeah. HDFC was down by 5%, Reliance was down by 4%, HDFC Bank was down by 4%, SBI was down by 6%, ICICI Bank was down by about 5%. Adani stocks all down. Adani Enterprise was down about 10%, Adani Gas was down about 10%, and transmission, everything was down other than pharma and IT. Pharma also gave up the gains afterwards in the later half of the day. IT also gave up the day gains which it received in the morning. TCS results look good, so pharma should outperform in the short run, as well as IT should outperform in the short run, as well as pharma should outperform in the short run. Okay, now when you talk about stock specific, then Dr. Reddy, which we recommended, rose quite sharply. This was the stock I was confident since beginning, and it delivered. It delivered as discussed in all my earlier videos. Yeah. TCS results are good. It went down by 2%. Let's see how it moves tomorrow. It is going to rock tomorrow, I believe. Yeah. Panacea Biotech is a new, recently added. This I added because of the Sputnik vaccine approval. They're going to manufacture it and they're going to distribute it. Gland Pharma, the same story. Sputnik vaccine, they're going to distribute. They've got the approvals, so they'll go for the manufacturing and distribution of this vaccine. The other stock in the IT which we added today is Tech Mahindra. This also we are expecting Infosys to deliver maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So IT should do well. TCS, Tech Mahindra and Infosys should do well. Yeah? Although they have not been able to perform today. So better to stay away from the indices like Nifty and Bank Nifty, better to stay away. Not doing a trade is a bonus, consider it as a bonus. And only few stocks we can consider from pharma as well as IT. Go with the trend, look at the cases, how it is developing in Mumbai, in India. If we are able to control the cases and the lockdowns in India, then we are going to again rise to glory once again. Okay friends, hope you like this video, but better stay away from the markets. Let it stabilize on its own, let it take its own time. Don't be in a hurry to buy, don't be so greedy to enter the markets. Okay friends, so whatever we discussed earlier has happened today. We're waiting for this and let's look into it. Let's buy for long term. We'll get stocks at a very cheap valuation. You have already got it at a very cheap valuations. Yeah, like Reliance was at 1900. It's a beautiful buy for long term. Okay friends, hope you like this video. Thank you.